So now we're going to take a look at our radical function. With our radical function, things are a little bit different because we only care where our original function is above 0. So the first thing to do is actually to find the zeros of this function, which is just factoring into x plus 3 and x minus 3. So in other words, x equals negative 3 and x equals 3. So now, if we think about this graph, what we actually have is a graph that's going to look somewhat like this, where this is 3, and we'll call this negative 3, and the graph is actually going to look somewhat like that. Meaning that we have a bit of a split function. This one looks weird because of the x squared, meaning any value below negative 3 when squared will be greater than 9 and therefore is possible in our function, and the same thing as positive 3. So now, if we think about our domain, the domain just becomes x has to be less than or equal to negative 3, and x has to be greater than or equal to 3.